Welcome back to Deck Trains, week 61. This is the finale of HO Bachmann trains, and what we have today is a number 6520 Congressional GG1 that I've custom painted to PRR Tuscan Red number 4876. This 460064 model handles the R2 turns pretty well. I don't think it could manage the R1 turns. Over the years, Bachmann has constructed a lot of different GG1s and PRR heavyweight coaches, and my daughter, my favorite daughter, started me out with some of the Bachmann PRR coaches one birthday, and I have just filled in the gaps. Since this locomotive is in a passenger livery, how about some coaches from Bachmann? And we start out with Bachmann's number 89011, a combine, road number 9916, followed by 89013, a coach, road number 3758, 89014, the diner, road number 8018, 89002, a coach again, number 4535, and the end unit will be 89016, an observation coach, road number 180. General Electric built 139 of this Raymond Lowry enhanced beast for the Pennsylvania Railroad between 1934 and 1943. The initial design was by Donald R. Donor, which featured riveted sides versus Lowry's later enhancements and smooth sides. They were designed for 100-mile-an-hour passenger service and 90-mile-an-hour freight service along the electrified north-south Main and the Philadelphia to Harrisburg line. Speeds were reduced in the 50s by 10 miles an hour until the beginning of Amtrak and the Metroliner appeared. Then the speeds went back up. And then shortly after that, of course, Amtrak got new locomotives and the GG1s disappeared. The model performed pretty quickly. It did 117 miles an hour scale speed at 50% power. This GG1 was the sixth attempt by PRR to bring electric locomotives to prime time. Some noticeable service consists included the funeral trains of Franklin Delano Roosevelt and Robert F. Kennedy, plus the annual Army-Navy game transport of cadets from those two service academies. Last active unit was retired by New Jersey Transit in 1983. Many units are preserved. I have not found any in operating condition, probably due to the PVC use in the electrics. I used to work with an old PRR brakeman at one point in time, and he had some fascinating, or should I say horrifying, stories on the brakes on the heavyweight cars that the PRR used. What was that? Was that the Fleischmann track cleaning wagon going by? Ah. Thanks for watching, everyone. Tune in next week for a baby GG1.